What is the funniest story you have about your daddy?
About when I was playing with him and then when I flied an airplane it went almost to my face.
What is your most unforgettable moment with daddy?
Playing.
Greetings for daddy. Hey daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We really love you and miss you. See you on July 4 and we love you.
Pa, Happy Father's Day po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan. Miss ka na po namin. So, most unforgettable moment ko kay Papa is nung binilan niya ako ng bike. And nasa Litex kami nun. Tapos tinanong ko si Papa, Pa, gano'ng kamahal ang bike? Tanong niya, bakit? Kasi, sabi ko, tanong ko lang po. Tapos, maya-maya, sinabi niya, labas daw kami. Tapos, tanong ko, bakit po? Tapos sabi niya, bibili tayong bike. Nagulat ako kasi hindi ko naman ina-expect na bibilan ako ni Papa ng bike. Yun, lumabas kami. Tapos pupunta kami sa isang repair shop na nagbebenta din ng bike. Yung bike na binili niya is worth 6,800 ata. Ayun, hindi ko malilimutan yun kay Papa kasi kahit hindi mo hingin is ibibigay niya sa'yo.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. The funniest story I've had na kasama si Daddy is when nalaglag siya sa escalator. Tapos ang pinaka-unforgettable moment na kasama ko rin si Daddy is when nalaglag ulit siya sa escalator. Happy Father's Day ulit, Daddy. I love you very much.
What is your funniest story with Daddy?
Last time when we were upstairs in our room, we were playing and Nika keeps on tickling Daddy. When Daddy farted, so fun too. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you.
The most funniest story I've told to my papa is nung nagpa-print po kami ng pinsan ko and then sakay po namin yung motor nila. Tapos nung pauwi na po kami is napansin ko po yung motor na parang may mali po dun sa motor. So, nung nandito na po kami sa bahay, in-inspect ko po yung motor kasi parang may mali po talaga. And then, napansin ko po yung plate number is mali. So, sinabi ko po sa pinsan ko. And then, nung pong tinignan ng pinsan ko, bigla po niya sinabi na hindi po yun yung motor nila. E di kami pong dalawa kinabahan. Bumalik po kami dun sa pinag-print po namin. Tapos po yung may-ari po ng motor, nakahabang po, tawa po siya ng tawa sa amin. Tapos si Papa po, kinuhento ko po sa kanya, tawa din po siya ng tawa. Father's Day, Papa. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your sacrifices to us. And thank you for your support, lalo na sa pag-aaral ko. Promise ko sa inyo ni Mama na magpapakatapos ako sa course ko para someday maging registered nurse ako at para makabawi ako, makatulong po ako sa inyo. Alam ko naman na alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal at hindi ko napapahabain tong message ko na to. Mag-iingat ka po lagi dyan. I love you, Papa. God bless.
Hi Dad, happy Father's Day. And the funniest moment with my dad is when me and my mom is teasing him because when we watch a movie as a family, he always sleeps. And the most unforgettable moment with my dad is when me and him are playing basketball because we both love playing it. So I just wanted to say thank you for your love and guidance. You've shaped who I am, and I'm so grateful to have you as my dad. Happy Father's Day, and God bless you always.
Hi, Papa Andrew! Ay ay mula din sa Pilipinas. Ay kami ay bumabati baga ng Happy Father's Day. Ayun, message ko lang sa'yo. As always, thank you very much Thank you for being a good father sa ating baby Sofia. At thank you sa mga sacrifice mo. Naalala ko lang nung binata ka, ay nagpursige kang magpunta ng abroad kahit mag-isa ka lang dyan. Tapos nung nagkaasawa ka at nagkaanak, ay nagpunta ka naman sa isang country na wala ka rin kamag-anak. And thank you for being so brave. And of course, sa faith mo and sa mga sacrifice mo, yung mga responsibility mo ay hindi mo pinapabayaan. And thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. You say Papa. Papa? Oh, Papa daw, Papa. At yun, nung alam ko 5 years or 6 years ka nang hindi umuwi sa Pilipinas. Pero in God's time, as always your sinasabi, tiwala lang. So, in provisions ng Lord, darating din yung na makakauwi ka rin dito at magkakasama-sama din tayo. Ayun, mag-iingat ka dyan. Continue to serve God and continue mo lang yung ministry mo. And see you soon! Wow! Ayun. So, thank you again. Happy Father's Day. God bless you. Bye-bye!